to all students. Today we are going to discuss class 10th science book chapter 19 biodiversity and its conservation. Biodiversity and its conservation. And today's topic is introduction of biodiversity. Once again, today we are going to discuss class 10th science book chapter 19 biodiversity and its conservation, and today's topic is introduction of biodiversity. So topic is introduction of biodiversity. Students, in this topic some subtopic includes like first, means of biodiversity word, next, definition of biodiversity, and next, some specific examples on related to plant, it means flora, and related to animals, it means fauna. And next subtopic is levels of biodiversity. First of all, means of biodiversity. Biodiversity. Students, biodiversity word, once again, biodiversity is composed of two words. Once again, biodiversity is composed of two words. First word is bio, second is diversity. Bio, they are Latin word. Bio, it means life. Diversity, it means variations. Commonly we say variation of life. Once again, biodiversity is composed of two words. First word bio, second diversity. Bio, it means life, diversity, it means variation. So means of biodiversity is variation of life. And next is the diversity found among the living. Life, it means living beings found on the earth. Once again, the diversity or the variation found among the living beings found on the earth. Living being, it means all plants, all animals, all some other microscopic organism. Next, a specific definition according to technology assessment report. Next is according to the assessment, according to the technology assessment report, technology assessment report published by the United States of America, United States of America in 1987. So definition is, according to Technology Assessment Report of America, the diversity, asymmetry, and ecological complexity found among the biological organisms is called biodiversity. Once again, the diversity, asymmetry, and ecological complexity among the biological organism is called biodiversity. Next is biodiversity is a comprehensive term. It means wide term because the word living organisms includes the entire flora and fauna. First is flora. All plants include in flora, all animals include in fauna. Once again, first is flora. In flora includes two microscopic algae, two giant banyan tree, two giant banyan tree, and a redwood plant. They are giant plant. Next, fauna. All animals include in fauna. In fauna includes microscopic plankton to mammoth. It means whale. Mammoth and whale. Whale is aquatic mammal, and from bacteria It is microscopic organism to elephant. Next is levels of biodiversity. Mostly three levels of biodiversity. They are following. Once again, biodiversity, it means life, it means variation. So variation of life is called biodiversity. First is species biodiversity. Second is genetic diversity or biodiversity, and third is ecosystem diversity. Once again, first is species biodiversity, second is genetic diversity, and third is ecosystem diversity. It means variation. If the variation is also responsible for species, it is called species biodiversity. Once again, diversity, it means variation. So the variation is also responsible for the species is called species diversity. Next, diversity, it means variation. The variation is also responsible for gene, it is called genetic diversity. Third is diversity, it means variation. The variation responsible on organisms habitat, it is called ecosystem diversity. So first is species diversity. First is simple mean this variation is also responsible for the species next is definition. First is species definition. A group of organism. Once again, first of all, definition of species, a group of organism whose members are identical in appearance and have the ability to produce their offsprings by reproduction in natural condition. it means naturally, is called a species. Once again, a group of organism or a group of same type organism whose members are identical in appearance and have the ability to produce offspring, it means progeny, by reproduction in natural condition is called species. Next is species diversity is the total number of different species of organisms, it means fauna, animals and flora, plants found in any specified area is called species diversity. Next is genetic diversity. Students, example of species diversity is only 1 gram of soil contains, once again, only 1 gram soil contains about more than 10 million bacteria and 50,000 fungi in only 1 gram soil. Next is genetic diversity. It means variation. It means on the basis of genetic, it means DNA, genes. So this variation is responsible for the genes of new member. It is called genetic diversity. The variation found in different member of the same species to the genes. Students, it is a segment of DNA or it is a specific DNA segment or hereditary unit. Gene is a hereditary unit, is called genetic diversity. And third is ecosystem diversity. It means variation. If variation on the basis of habitat, it is called ecosystem diversity. These ecological system have their own geographical and environmental, it means physical characters like temperature, pressure, air, characters due to which they differ in the flora, it means all plants, and fauna, it means all animals. Such variation is called ecosystem diversity. Like desert, moist forest, tropical rainforest, forest, tropical rainforest, rivers, valley, grasslands, they are examples of ecosystem diversity. So students, today's topic is completed. Today we studied means of biodiversity word. Next, a specific definition according to the Technology Assessment Report of United States of America in 1987. Next, levels of biodiversity, mostly three: species diversity, genetic diversity, ecosystem diversity. So thanks, have a nice day.